I'm Isabella Quilizan, and this is Alfredo Aquilizan. We're originally from the Philippines, and we moved to Australia in 2006 with our 5 kids. Our project for Nariwarn, and particularly with the Casey community, is to involve each and every one in creating their idea of what home is for them.
In most cases, we always use materials that relates to an idea. We use cardboard because each and every cardboard has already its history of travel. Our work is all about engagement with the site, here in Bunjil, for example, engagement with the people we work with. We talk about the idea of movement, we talk about the idea of journey, dislocation, settlement. We just go with the flow, we just see what's on our palette. Whatever you build will actually become part of the work, because we like that idea of people actually become part of the actual making of the artwork.
To make my own home was pretty insecure at the start. I was like making it with glue, cutting out cardboard and stuff, and I was pretty insecure at how to actually make this thing. But to see it amongst this like other community of like homes, it's just this sort of like ego disillusion, and just seeing these other homes built on top of each other is just the best.
For me, making my house was a good process of just figuring out what my identity was. I get to put my own creativity in there, and I guess I had a feeling of connection.
But for us, the most important thing is that moment when they come together and spend time and engage.
The core of our practice is really involving the community to be part of that making, and that for us demystified the very idea of art as not only as an individual pursuit, but also in thinking as well beyond what they have done and experienced in the space, is that they be able to reflect on the world we live in at this time and age. It's important that we pose those questions of how do we want to live in today until in the future.
And then seeing it out there with other people's houses as well gave a sense of community, that we are different, but if we get to know one another, then we can be one. So seeing it in an exhibition together with different houses was amazing.
What I love is that it's the arts for everybody. Nobody can come in and say, oh, this is highbrow, or I don't get this. This is so accessible for everybody, regardless of their age. And then they can see how it's been made, but then they've got that wonder of how did they get it all put together. It's just amazing.